Hi everybody, my name is Lorna Campbell. I am here with Screenfeed at InfoComm 2026. Screenfeed is a digital signage content provider. So if you are a network operator, if you are an integrator, and you are helping your clients keep their screens engaging, keep their screens fresh, this is the place for you to be. So we sell two different things. One is ready-made content feeds, and the other is custom content services. So you can see all of our content services that we can help with, along with licensed ready-made feeds such as weather, news, sports, social media, and entertainment to keep screens fresh. Here on this screen, you can see some of our examples of our content that is displaying. And then I will also click on ready-made feeds where you can see our library of content that'll help keep your screens engaging and fresh. We consider our software and our screens to be software agnostic and hardware agnostic. So whether you work with CMSs that you can find in the industry or different media players, our content works great and looks great on all of them. We also have some stuff that's new this year. I'll go ahead and click into that. We just started offering TikTok, and we also offer something called Cinematic Skies, which is an AI-powered weather offering that shows localized summaries of weather in your area. So it's really beautiful. The background matches the different weather that's happening currently in your space, and it's really engaging. It really gets people looking at your screens. So this is an awesome new offering that we have this year. If you want to check out anything else that we offer, we launched a new Everything plan, which is almost all of our content in one bundle. So it's at a great price point, really involved. Every popular offering that we have, like sports, weather, news, is going to be included in this bundle. So come check us out, check out our new pricing, check out our new offerings. You can find us at screenfeed.com or get in touch at sales@screenfeed.com. Give us an email.